Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's white to play and deliver checkmate in just two moves. What do you think the best move? If you'd like to pause, go ahead and do find the move. So if we play a check move, it won't work because the king can escape from mating check, mating net. So it's going to not work. If we play this, yes, we have a lot of advantage, material advantage. It's going to be easy win for us, but it's not going to be win on the next move for us. The next move after this move, the next move should be mate, because we want checkmate in just two moves. So what do you think? The correct move that deliver checkmate in just two moves is this move. This, obviously the queen can take because it's pinned. She can take this, but this will be checkmate. The queen can't infiltrate in this mate. So after she take, we just go here, and if she didn't take, and if the king moves instead, we have this mate. So by playing this move, we are threatening both mates. So by doing this, we can deliver checkmate. So guys, I will upload similar videos on this channel, so make sure to subscribe and wait for the next video. Bye.